like it.
Hi Raki, this is welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is what's your name?
Alona.
ఎలోనా ఈమె పేరు వచ్చేసి ఎలోనా. ఈమె మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఇక్కడ హాస్టల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ చేస్తుంది. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈమెనే చూసుకుంటుంది. యు ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్?
I'm from Russia.
ఈమె రష్యా దేశం నుండి వచ్చింది. సో ఇక్కడ హాస్టల్ మాత్రం చూసుకున్నట్టయితే రష్యన్ స్టైల్లో ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ కిచెన్, సెల్ఫ్ కిచెన్ అన్ని ప్రతి ఒక్కటి ఉన్నది. మన సెల్ఫ్గా యోగా ప్రతి ఒక్కటి ఆమె చెప్తుంది. జస్ట్ tell about your hostel.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Hi everyone, my name is Alona. I'm from Russia. I'm a yoga teacher and a manager in the Moustache Mermaid Camping. So what we have in our place, it's a very beautiful place near field side. It's very quiet and very, how to say, a little bit spiritual place. So you can find here peace and a very good meditation practice or yoga practice. We have here a space for practicing yoga. We call it the core. And this is our Moustache Mermaid Camping site. Inside all facilities for your comfortable stay. And what we have also open kitchen. Everything you need for peaceful, joyful stay in Goa. Dancing stage here and palm trees, skies, blue skies. So that's it. Thank you so much. So this is our open kitchen and we have all facilities for comfortable stay. For our guests we have a fridge, this is electrical kettle, toaster, oven and fireplace with gas. Here we have all facilities like pans, plates, everything you need you can find here. And also backside for our guests we have a barbecue place, barbecue table. So if you would like to use it, please, you are welcome in our place. And make sure that you like to cook and you like big company of friendly people from all over the world and you are ready to share your food with this kind of open-minded, nice and friendly people.
So this is your yoga class, no?
Yes. So we have this yoga space also for our guests. It's free of use. Wow. And if you are not very comfortable with your own practice, you can always attend classes which happens here in the morning time at 8 a.m. So this is our yoga spiritual place. Also people use it for meditation. So almost every morning people stay here and enjoy morning peaceful time when the sun is just rising. And as all we know, it's the best time for meditation.
Really good. Yes.
Tell me when it's ready. So this is our camping site, our logo, Moustache Mermaid Camping. And let's come inside, I will show you what we have here. So basically this is our home place, our tents, and also for comfortable stay we have all facilities for our guests. So we have washing machine, bathrooms, changing room, a locker for important stuff people may possess, and this is totally no smoking, no drinking area. So for this thing you can go backside. It's also awesome view on the small river, and we have hammocks, benches and tables so people can chill. Yeah, can have a rest backside.
Can you show them?
Yeah, definitely. Let's go. This is washing machine, washing place. So this is our barbecue area.
Okay, this is wonderful place. Really beautiful.
Thank you. It is.
గాయస్ చూసిండ్రా, ఇగో మా టెంట్ ఇది. మంచిగా స్పేస్ కూడా చాలా ఉన్నది. ఎన్ని బ్యాగులు నా లగేజ్ చూడండి, 1 2 3 4. యాక్చువల్ మేము ఇద్దరం వచ్చినాము. సో ఇద్దరికి బెడ్, కానీ దీంట్లో 3 పడుకోవచ్చు అని నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది. సూపర్ ఉంది, అసలు బాగుంది. ఇది మా బెడ్. సూపర్ ఫీలింగ్.